Rock and roll, guys. I just landed at the airport in Denmark. It's 11:30 in the evening. I just got back from Portugal and I lost all my baggage. But I'm stoked because I'm back home, and this week we have the premiere of the Skagerrak film, the Viking crossing documentary that we've been waiting a long time for. I'm excited to show it on Friday. Got a lot of stuff happening between now and then. I'm gonna take you for this episode. We're gonna go behind the scenes and see everything that's happening. I got flip-flops and I got a flower for my mother, so it can't go all bad. I made it back home. I'm driving in my car. There's 2 days left until the premiere of Skagerrak, but I'm so fucking nervous to show everyone what it's about. It's one thing when you watch the film by yourself, you know, with a headset on, but to actually hear people's reactions is scary, I feel. And right now, I'm on my way down to the beach to do one of many interviews this week about the film. I gotta look for some clothes as well to wear for the premiere. Trevor said he's gonna help me find some stuff.
I don't know what you heard about me.
We're here at the lake. I'm about to go paddling with a reporter from British Airways. She's doing a piece on who this Viking that paddled across Skagerrak is. What drives me?
Yeah.
Not just as an athlete, but
I think that somewhere in that direction is Scotland. You just kept on going. You should do that next. Dude, no. Some people like actually said you should go to England or the UK or something. That's what they did though. That's what the Vikings did.
Yeah.
Where are we going? Street shopping. Casper needs to. Hey, my phone's ringing. Dress up a bit.
We're going to Tisted because we just saw Peter and he says he's gonna dress up really fancy for the premiere tomorrow. We're gonna go look for some fresh clothes, and Trevor's here to help me because he's you know, from the Commonwealth. He knows everything about fancy clothes.
Of course, fashion is my middle name.
Shocking.
Let's do it.
So what are we doing?
Trevor, what are we doing?
I think we're getting donuts. Spar. Here we go.
We're going to Spar. Spar is the local supermarket.
Everything in Spar.
Michael from Spar just expanded his shop, so he has all kinds of new cool stuff, and I've never been in there yet.
I
actually
just
haven't.
want a donut. That's all I
And
want.
Might be some clothes in there.
Trevor wants a donut. I want to find some fancy clothes for the film premiere.
Let's do it. I think we definitely need some of these in our life. Oh yes. All right. There's that champagne. Got a big 2 days ahead. I think if we get the right alcohol, that is the key to everything.
What's in this bag? You see these cakes? Try to take one.
Okay.
But be careful. It's potent. It'll take you weird places. Technically, this is all the cakes that you could not sell in previous days. And then you mash it together and like add a little bit of rum flavor.
It's like the
and some
bowl.
more sugar. Then it's magic. Wait, okay. Dude, this is weird. Okay, I'm in town looking for a new suit for the premiere tomorrow. We're filming a vlog, and my question for you is, should I shave my beard or not for the premiere? I'm gonna give you an hour to vote on this poll.
Think about it, people. You could look like this.
Yeah.
I shaved this morning.
All right, decide, beard or no beard. You got 1 hour, go.
What's going on?
Basically what's happening is if Casper does get his beard shaved, I'm gonna see, because people won't recognize him without his beard, of course. Like, it's like Casper's like main thing. It's like, oh, there's the beard, Casper, right. It's like they either think it's Osama bin Laden or Casper. Anyway, there should be an emoji with you wearing a Red Bull cap or something. But yeah, so basically if Casper does get his beard shaved, no one will recognize him, so I'm gonna get his beard, stick it to my face, put a Red Bull cap on, and speak some basic Danish to Casper's friends and see if they actually think it's Casper.
It's your moron.
I think that it's pretty convincing.
And an hour has passed now, and this is the status. 74% of you decided I should keep the beard, and only 26 said I should scrape it off. So I'm sorry, Trevor. And then what's happening instead is Trevor's getting a haircut.
I'm getting a haircut.
Thank you very much. I appreciate all your support and ideas of how my face should look. And a shout out to Kai Leniak, because Kai, you were one of the believers that I should take it off. I'm just gonna say, in your face, I'm keeping it.
Oh, wait. This store or that store?
think I need a little bit bigger. Yeah. I really like this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's like kung fu, like whatever, taekwondo, and it says drunken boxing. I was like, is that a real thing? So maybe drunken paddling is a legitimate training team.
So is wine barrel trapeze.
To thank everybody who wanted to be a part of the adventure that Casper, for some reason, set out on. That all of you wanted to play with that idea. I feel very thankful for all of you wanting to be part of it.
Got a brunch for the whole team here. I'm sitting outside just trying to gather my thoughts before the next part happens with the premiere in the cinema. We just, gathered the whole crew from the crossing, like everyone that was part of it, and talked some stories. And it was really nice to catch up because this whole project was not possible without a big crew of people.
So I heard some rumors about the crossing actually being fake. Have you heard anything about that? And
What?
Yeah.
Why would it be fake? Just because it's so extreme, suddenly you don't believe it. Hence, we've talked about this. We're so close. We have the premiere tonight.
Yeah, but guys,
we can talk about this tomorrow.
The truth.
Of course, he paddled to Norway.
The truth needs to be. Guys, the
I'm
truth
his
needs
brother,
to be told.
Hans.
What?
I'm his brother. Imagine if some of this stuff got leaked before.
But Peter, people need to know what's been going on. I mean.
But come on, Hans, this is not just about him or us. It's 30 people, it's the whole crew.
Yeah,
it's
and the money, I know,
Yeah.
but truth needs to be
But come
told.
on, you can get a bit of that too. Yeah, we can
I
share.
can get a bit of the money?
Yeah, you can
You
have
think
a
so?
bit of it, yeah. Need to happen, okay?
Okay, yeah, let's
Leave this
keep,
between us.
we
leave
will
this-
keep tight. We'll
Okay?
keep tight.
So you delete this in the SD card.
Velkommen. Fuck, det er fedt.
Beautiful movie, I love that.
A lot of willpower.
That's impressive.
Feels tougher than the rest. Tremendous, a nature film of the best I've seen for a long time.
Brotherhood. I think that was really interesting.
Family and brotherhood.
You know, men and sea and struggle. I see struggle for life, struggle for your own soul, struggle for your inner devils.
I'll say I think this is one in a lifetime. No one would do that after Casper.
I'll see it again.
I need a beer. It was so... I'm overwhelmed. I'm crying. Like when the movie ended, like when the final end slates rolled, I was crying. Like just because I saw every single name up there. And it was just I'm with this bizarre feeling now of what the fuck just happened. I really can't. I really can't describe it. I feel happy. I feel sad. I feel like it was the biggest day of my life. It was just, to me, it felt just as big as making it to Kristiansand and like getting back on dry land after paddling for 18 hours. That's the same feeling I'm standing with right now. I can't. You say something. I don't
What
know.
about the director? What do you say, Peter?
Just full of energy, humbled. It's with 140 something people, and you feel the energy.
It's so humbling because like there's all these people watching, and you know the fact that they stood up afterwards and clapped and were so touched. It was a humbling experience, but different than paddling. I only had 48 hours to be worried when I did the paddle. I had like how many months to be worried about this day now. So I think it was everything I expected and a lot more than I ever could have expected. Now we're gonna get on that bus. We're gonna go to the after party, celebrate with the crew and everyone that made this film possible. And then very soon we're having the premiere in Copenhagen, but on the 21st of May you can watch the film On TV.
On DRTV.
DRTV in Denmark. And around the world, stay tuned. We're gonna be coming your way soon. But I need to have some beers and let this whole thing explode first.